Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for navigating the digital world. Today, we'll be showing you how to delete a tweet on Twitter using your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Tap on the tweet that you'd like to delete. Simply locate the tweet you wish to remove from your profile or timeline and click on it. Step 2. Now, look for the icon shaped like 3 dots. It is usually located at the bottom right corner of the tweet. Step 3. Once you've found the icon, click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Step 4. From the options provided, select Delete. This action will prompt a confirmation message to ensure you want to proceed. Step 5. Finally, click on Delete in the confirmation message to permanently remove the tweet from your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a tweet on Twitter using your PC. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy tweeting.